rappers McFly have been topping the charts for 8 years, and now they have a new sound.
Hi, we're McFly.
Even though they're a man short, the band is in full swing promoting a massive tour and new single.
If any of us were to leave, they'll be the last person to leave.
Still to come, the Girlfriends join them at a gig. And Danny takes us home. They're on the road again to a charity gig up north.
They were off to the magical land of Bolton.
For this event, their better halves will be joining them. Harry's lovely lady, Izzy Johnston, plays violin with electric string quartet Escala, who are also on the bill in Bolton. Tom and actress girlfriend Giovanna Falcone have been sweethearts since high school. While Danny Squeeze is former Miss England Georgia Horsley. Bolton Wanderers captain Kevin Davies has invited McFly to play in Danny's hometown, and he's feeling all nostalgic.
It feels good to be back home. It's good to be back. That's where I used to sit. 4 seats there, I used to sit there with 2 mates. I've not been to a Bolton game for ages, and it's really, really nice to be here. But the real reason why we're here is tonight we're performing. We're on about 11:30 doing a little unplugged section. And yeah, it's quite an exciting night tonight, especially for me. It's quite a big deal for me.
As the crowd get G'd up for the big game, Danny gets ushered onto the pitch and receives a rapturous welcome by his home crowd. With the game underway, Harry's girlfriend Izzy and her bandmates start to get ready for the performance.
I met Harry 5.5 years ago on their Wonderland tour, and I've been booked to play violin. Literally, he walks into the room, and for me anyway, it was really one of those moments of like eyes across the room, and I just was like, oh my god.
Did you see a fancy me?
No. Yes.
You going for the early 90s WWF wrestler though?
He has me running in circles. I'm basically his PA, you know, and I get, can you help me with this? And I look at him and I think, I can't, I've got to help you because if this is something you're just not capable.
Tom's Giovanna is also a long-suffering partner.
Treatment of girlfriends in the early days, awful treatment of girlfriends.
Have to do when I knew my manager when the search was coming over, I used to hide upstairs on somewhere, bedroom was on the balcony with an outline house.
Outside the house?
Outside, so if a manager's like, I don't come over to have a meeting with you guys, I just feel like crap, you've got to hide. We weren't meant to have like girlfriends over to the house.
The masquerade ball is a rare chance for McFly and Escala to share the red carpet. And the ladies have pulled out all the stops, including Danny's girlfriend, Georgia.
Well, she look lovely. They both look lovely. Got the dresses on. Where's your mask?
Everyone's asking me.
Cheer it up. Hold it up.
As Izzy takes to the stage, Harry looks on proudly.
She's watched a lot of our gigs in the past, so it's nice to be on the other side and watch her. I think it's nice for her as well. So I'm like constantly getting all the attention. It makes me feel very proud of her. She's very great. They're all very talented.
This is our first gig in Bolton. It's good to play in your hometown, wasn't it? This is called All About You.
This song was McFly's biggest UK hit as the 2005 comic relief single, but was penned as a Valentine's gift by Tom for Giovanna. success of the gig, the band are soon brought back to earth by news that 2 papers will break a story in the morning